right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now I do not see any PPF on this car. Looking at that wheel, you have a little rash right there. The sparkle on here is beautiful. Calipers look amazing. Carbon ceramics. Looks really, really good. The fender looks amazing. Carbon looks awesome. Making our way down the door. Upper section looks good. Edge is perfect. That carbon is clean. The edge of that, I don't feel any rock chips. That blade looks good. Got a tiny surface scuff right there. Lower section looks nice. Couple tiny surface scuffs there. That wheel looks good. You can just see how clean the barrel is. The wheel weights. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks nice. Just kind of scanning the hood here, looking for rock chips, rock impacts, anything like that. I see a tiny chip there. There's something kind of marked on there. It's not a chunk missing or anything, just like a surface mark. All of that looks good. Little rock impact here, a couple small ones. I'll go underneath that in just a second. All of that looks good. I mean, this is so clean. All right, let's check out underneath. A little bit right here, dead center. Got the protector here, so it has a little bit on it. And then you have a rash right there, unfortunately. So if we're about a foot off the ground, a couple foot off the ground here, you make your way around, you're gonna see it just a little bit on that edge. That fender looks good. Do you have some markings on the wheel there? Almost looks like the residue here from the old wheel weight got on here. So those aren't large gashes, even though they look like, I think it might be some sticky residue. The rest of that looks good. Door's clean. Mirror looks good. Edge of that's nice. Same with the blade here, very clean. I see one imperfection there. All the carbon back here. Tail lights look good. Spoiler's clean. I'm looking at the top here. A couple little scuffs, but otherwise in great condition. Looking at this side, it all looks really good. Just kind of scanning through the small part of the engine that you can see. That carbon is really nice. All right, looking at the interior, absolutely gorgeous. Got all the carbon here. That's nice and clean. Let's see, all of that looks good. Buttons are perfect. Carpet here looks amazing. And you have carbon surrounding all of this. Looks good. Checking out that bolster. Looks really nice. Same here. All of that looks good. All the carbon everywhere. Upper side of the dash is clean. Really not much to pick apart in here. And checking out this panel. All that carbon looks good. The rest of that looks really nice. All this trim is clean. Carbon in here looks amazing. The bolster's perfect. Console looks good. I mean, there's really nothing to pick apart on this side. All right, we're going on a quick drive here. Got 5,197 miles. Absolutely gorgeous car inside and out, no complaints. Drives amazing. In manual mode here. Very bumpy road. Steering is nice and straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Suspension feels good.